If you're experiencing a billing hold on Kraken, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Check your notifications. Once logged in, look for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. These notifications often provide specific details about the billing hold and what actions are required. Step 3. Verify your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Submit required documentation. If the hold is due to verification issues, follow the prompts to submit any required documentation. This may include identification or proof of address, which can help lift the hold. Step 5. Contact Kraken support. If the hold persists after taking the above steps, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with details about the hold and any actions you have already taken to expedite the resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Kraken account. If issues continue, remain in contact with support for further assistance.